guys, welcome back to All Things Antonia. My name is Antonia, and in today's video I'm just going to be sharing my empties with you. I've done one of these videos before and I thought it was time to do another one. I have a few items here, so if you're interested in seeing what I've been using, then just keep watching. Okay, so in no particular order, I'm just gonna grab from this bag here, and yeah, I'm gonna try to speed through this as much as I can because I don't want this video to be too long. So the first thing that I have here is this bottle of conditioner, and this is the Tresemme Expert Keratin Smooth with marula oil, and I really did like this conditioner. I like the way that it made my hair feel. I used it as a co-wash, so I didn't use it as like a leave-in or anything like that, but from my recollection, if it is correct, I do believe I did enjoy this conditioner. Not enough for me to repurchase it, unfortunately. I am a bit of a product junkie and I do like to try new things, but I did like the way it made my hair feel, but not enough for me to want to repurchase it. And the next item that I have here is another conditioner, and this is from the Maui Moisture line, and this one is the bamboo extract, bamboo fibers fortifying mask, and it's the thicken and restore hair mask. I love this hair mask. You guys know that I've been using the Maui Moisture products for quite some time, and I've used it in a few other videos, so you've seen that. I definitely love this one in the green packaging. They do have one in a pink packaging. It's not bamboo, it's a different one, but yes, I really love this. I haven't repurchased it yet, only because I can't find it in the store. This green one is very hard to find, so once I do, I will be picking up a couple more of these. Okay, the next item that I have is a bit controversial. It is a hair gel, and recently online in the hair community, there's been a big to-do about Eco Styler gel, and this product is the Jamaican black castor oil and flaxseed gel, and obviously it's empty, so I used it all. There's a little bit there, but it's done, and I loved this gel. My hair loved this gel. I'm sorry, Eco Styler has been good to me. I've never had any weird reactions to it from any of the chemicals or that may be in it. Eco Styler did come out with a statement saying, you know, basically that, you know, the chemicals in their products are safe and you know, shouldn't be harmful. At first I thought I was gonna cancel Eco Styler, but I'm not. I will say I haven't repurchased this, so I may or may not, I don't know. I actually have another Eco Styler gel that I haven't even really used yet, and I think it's the argan oil one. I've never tried it, so I'm gonna be trying it for the first time, but yeah, this one I really liked it. I probably will repurchase this. I just have a lot of other items for my hair that I'm trying to get through right now before I buy any more new products, but yes, work for me. Okay, so this next item I actually mentioned in my last empties video. It is the Badescu facial spray, and this is the one with rose water and aloe, with herbs and rose water and all that goodness, but it's the pink one, and the one that I mentioned in my last video was the green one. I emptied that one and I've already finished this one, and I have a backup, which is the lavender one. I love to spray this on my face even if I'm not wearing any makeup, or if I am wearing makeup, I like to spray this on after I do like my setting powder, and this kind of keeps me from looking powdery. And then on top of this, I'll spray whatever setting spray I'm gonna use. So I've emptied this. I already have a backup, but I will be going to Ulta to purchase more. Okay, speaking of setting sprays, the setting spray that I've been using a lot here recently is actually from Walmart, and it's the Hard Candy brand, and it is the Long Wear Envy Sheer Envy setting spray. It's a 12-hour long and hydration setting spray. These are only like $5 or $6 at Walmart, and it works pretty good for me. It does help to cut down on like makeup transfer and creasing, oil, all that kind of stuff. I'm not really oily, but I do kind of get oily in the T-zone area just a little bit. I do have pretty dry skin, but this helps with that. They have different ones. So they have this one that's just like the pretty basic setting spray. They have another that is like a matte setting spray, and I believe they have an illuminating setting spray. They used to have a dewy setting spray. I don't know if they still have that or not, but yeah, I really like this. I will be repurchasing. Okay, and then the last thing that I have for my empties is just this face powder, and this is the LA Girl Pro face powder in the color GPP 608 Soft Honey. This I actually really liked. I had never used the LA Girl Pro face powder before, and I found this at, I believe, CVS a while back, and it's so crazy affordable that I just couldn't pass up trying it. So I actually really liked it. It was a good color match for me. Again, it's the color Soft Honey, and it worked pretty well. It served its purpose. I'm not sure that I'll go back to repurchase this just because I'm enjoying the powders that I'm using right now. So maybe in the future, I know that it's out there and that it works well for me, so maybe in the future I'll revisit this, but as of right now, it worked just to try it out, and now I know it's available if I need it. So there's that. Okay guys, so that is it. That is all the empties that I have for this video. I hope this video didn't turn out to be too long, and I hope you enjoy these type of videos. You can let me know down in the comment section below, or if you have any other video ideas that you would like to see me do, you can leave that in the comment section as well. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you come back and catch more of my videos. Also, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for continuing to support my channel. I appreciate you. Make sure you turn on your notifications so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And yes, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.